I just wanted to go over some iPad 7th generation machines. I've been seeing this for a while, a long while. There are multiple symptoms that are all related to the A10 processor. One of them is the touch will quit working and you will have no touch. But the machine will boot up fine. And there's a fit right down here underneath this shield, and you'll check it and the 3-volt source is there, but the gate is not being activated by the A10, and that source of that goes straight to the A10, so the A10 never turns on power. You lose touch. The other thing I see is a lot of 4013 errors with these, error 9s. They will not go into DFU mode. I pull the NAND is good, A10. This one, I call it the 02 amp fault, and I'll show you what this looks like. Let me get my energy drink out of the way here. My bench is a wreck. So, get some cords out of the way so you can see. I'm going to turn on this power supply. I tore apart a battery so I can have this board, and I slide it underneath here so I can use external power. Turn this on. All right, 0 amps. Now I'm going to hold down the power for 4 seconds. Power's on. That just sits there. 0.02 amps, nothing. That's it. It just sits there, 0.02 amps. And if you have the battery connected, it will show up as 060 on current draw, and I'll show you that now. Go ahead and, which one is this one? Well, I got 2 burn holes in it, so that's number 2. Let's plug that in. And see how that says 060 right there? 0.60. It will charge the battery at that level. But that's all it does. And that's also the A10. I total an average of 40 to 50% of these that come across my bench, all with one A10 problem or another. Either it's touch, either it's 4013, either it's 060 with the battery, or 02 when you're using the gauge. A10, 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 A10. The nanometer size of this is pretty large compared to the A11 and A12, and they get really hot. And unlike previous models, there's no thermal compound on the top of this that connects the shield and helps dissipate heat from the top of the chip. I think these chips are all just suffering from some sort of thermal stress and thermal failure. They're crap. 7th gen iPads are absolute crap. They just drop like flies. So Apple really should be eating these. I don't know. I really can't find a whole lot on the internet, but I've given these to my micro-solder and repair buddies. They've all come to the same conclusion. So if you're fighting a 7th gen and you're trying to find a bad cap, or you don't know what's wrong, just suspect the A10 on a lot of these. Good luck.